Michelle?
Yes.
Hi, welcome. Come on in.
Hawthorn Surgery Center in Illinois is one of nearly 6,000 same-day Medicare-certified surgical outpatient facilities in the country. Each month, this ambulatory surgery center, or ASC, serves more than 400 patients and performs 5,500 cases each year, mainly orthopedic.
This is your gown. Bear in mind, this is one size fits no one. Okay?
All jokes aside, every moment counts
Hi, I'm Jen.
when it comes to patient care, efficiency, and the bottom line.
In an ASC, time is money. You know, people need to get in, need to get great care, so great experience, and they need to be discharged in a timely fashion.
But when teams found themselves constantly walking and searching,
Staff spent a tremendous amount of time leaving the pre-op area, leaving patient care to actually go get the supplies they needed.
selecting and walking again, this time through 2 sets of doors, and even muscling through a rolling system.
It's draining. It's tiring.
It was chaotic, it was inefficient.
That's when the Hawthorn team turned to Medline to find new ways to drive standardization and improved efficiency without compromising care. The result? A pre-op kit tailored specifically for the needs of the team and their patients.
So, Michelle, this is your kit designed just for you.
If you were a patient and you wanted your surgery to start at 7, or if you're my patient, your surgery's supposed to start at 3, all those minutes I lost through the day running back and forward, they affect you.
This simple yet effective kit is already making a difference.
It's improved efficiencies dramatically. I would say probably a good 30 to 40%.
The ability for the patient to see everything being opened in front of them, it's fresh, it's just for them. It's like it's designed just for you when you came through the door here.
New thinking needed in today's competitive healthcare landscape.
Talk to your team. They're the ones who work the process every day. They know what they need. We reviewed the kit with the team. Medline's been very responsive. Very responsive. If we come up with an idea, we just sit down and we really do, we problem solve. We figure out how do we get there. It's not can we get there, it's how. It's always been a how. People look at just those bottom line numbers. It's not about that. It's the staff time, the staff energy. You have to look at the full cost of something, and that's where Medline's been the best, partnering with us, trying to figure those things out, the cost that nobody sees.
Learn more about how Medline helps healthcare run better at medline.com/ASC.